in my village, Ismailpur district, Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my 10 plus 2 from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. In current, I am doing graduation with the Kanpur University. My parents teaches us square deal manner. I am positive and hard worker. My hobbies are reading historical knowledgeable books which give me new knowledge. I like to play outdoor games like cricket and football. Friends, the topic given to us today for the discussion is a reservation system in India. Reservation means government give the extra qualities for the people who are below caste system to increase their level and give the standard and take their dreams in any service. In our country, reservation system is good and it apply in every sector. It is good for the people who are live in the below caste system and want to increase their circumstance, and it had taken also negative point that this system used wrongly by the political leaders for their election. They are use it and give the other person who are not able, who are not capable for this post, and this is not good, and our government try to solve it, and it is good.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Shadav Ahmed from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father, Mr. Medhesan, is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. If I talk about my qualification, I have completed 10 plus 2 from UP board with 85% marks and now pursuing graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening listening music. My mission to join Indian Air Force as an air warrior because it is my parent dream. We are gathered here to discuss the topic. Topic is reservation. In my point of view, reservation is reservation.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ritesh Sachan. I hail from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. My father's name is Mr. Satish Sachan. And I have pursued my 12th from Marfi Taran and Babula Inter College, Umri, Kanpur Nagar. Now I am pursuing a Bachelor of Science from Janata Mahavidyalaya. My hobbies are singing song, dancing and playing outdoor games. And I want to join the Indian Air Force because Air Force settled my life very earlier and it give an adventurous life and it give the equality to all sector boys too. Now I am going to speak about the reservation. Firstly, we should understand what is a reservation. Reservation is give the equality to the all sectors boys, all sectors women and all sectors people. And it comes in our India from the British India when the British government give the power to the Dalit to give the separate election. Then it comes in our India, but now we are seeing that all over the country we are finding it in every sector, in our education system, in a politics also, and also in the giving if we going for to buy a grain because government also giving most of the wheats and the grains are giving to the low cost people. As a government make the yellow card, the blue card, just because of the reservation, giving the equality to the all sector boys, that governments want that the people should be in an equality manner. People will not be feel depressed just because of the they are poor and they are low caste.
Enough. Good afternoon, gentlemen. As far as my introduction is concerned, I am Balramji Dubey. I hail from Kanpur. I was born and brought up in Kanpur, which is famous for leather industry. Now I tell about my education. I have done my basic first standard from Kanpur University. Now I am pursuing for Indian Air Force. Now I tell about my family background. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We are 4 siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket and rising in the morning. The positive in my personality are that I am good learner, diligent and a smart worker. To become the part of Indian Air Force has been the dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream and to support my family, I want to join Indian Air Force. Today we are here to discuss about the topic. The topic is reservation in India. Reservation in India was a campaign to eradicate the inequality and discrimination from the society. Its purpose is that to uplift the backward classes and to provide the quality life. If I talk about its pros, it is a beneficial for the backward classes because they have no money, and this campaign provide them to reach the quality education and other qualities. But if I talk about its cons, in sometimes it is a hinder in the progress of the country, because a person who have a great talent, but due to reservation he cannot got that job. And thank you.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of you. My name is Arpit Tiwari. I am from Kanpur, UP. I pursued my intermediate from Mahas DVL Inter College with 87% mark, and in high school I got 88% mark. Now I am pursuing my BSc third year from Kanpur University. My father name is Mr. Pradeep Kumar Tiwari. His occupation is farming, and my mother name is Sakuntala Tiwari, who is homemaker. And if I talk about my hobby is playing cricket, and in my free time I like to listening music. I want to join Air Force because there is no reservation in this job. This is a respected job, and today we all are gathered to discuss about given topic. The topic given to us is reservation. Today we all are discuss about what is the pros and cons of reservation. Yes, please.
Good afternoon all of guys. My name is Aryan Sachan. I am from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. My district Kanpur is famous for the Manchester of North India. I have completed intermediate from UP Board Prayagraj. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and listening music. I am cheerful and cooperative by the nature. I easily adjust with all kinds of environment. I am physically fit and mentally sound. Indian Air Force is the most respected job in our society, and is no reservation and no discriminative based on color, caste, religion, and selection purely on merit basis. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. We are gathered here for the group discussion, so I come to the topic of reservation system in India. First of all, we have to understand what is reservation. Reservation means to give equality lower class people same as a upper class people. It provides us lower class people many benefits like all sector jobs and educations, and reservation provides lower class people many benefits. But in many cases we saw that many political leaders uses reservation in bad ways for the election, and reservation used political leaders for strike. Thank you.
Good afternoon all of you. My name is Ankesh Sajan and I am 19 years old. I was born in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, from where I have done my graduation. If I talk about my family, my father is an electrician and my mother is a tailor. My hobbies are playing outdoor games, especially cricket and badminton. In my free time, I usually make portraits and sketches. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's a job full of adventure, pride and satisfaction. And also I want to improve the financial condition of my family. So these are some reasons, that's why I want to join Air Force. Now I would like to come to my topic, that is about reservation system in India. First of all, we have to know about reservation. Reservation is basically a process to uplift the situation of lower caste people like scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. This system is... Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Ravinder. I am from Kanpur. I have completed my graduation this year. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. In my free time, I like to play cricket and reading the holy books. And I want to join Indian Air Force because we get a chance to serve our nations and improve the economic condition of our family. Today I come to the topic is reservation in India. Reservation means to give equality to those people who are below in caste, because we all know that the conditions of low caste people was not good in ancient times. So our government has taken an action and gave them and they reserved them.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Harshit Katiyar. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father's name is Mr. Pankaj Katiyar. My hobbies are reading books, reading newspaper and also playing cricket. I did my 12th in 2017. Now I am pursuing graduation from Kanpur University. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman. So I am present here for group discussion to establish reservation in India. First we should talk about what is reservation. Reservation is an act in our constitution where it gives many opportunities to scheduled tribes and scheduled caste and other backward class to uplift his social and financial condition. The history of reservation in it has been implemented since 1947, where committee chairman Dr. Ambedkar came this idea in our constitution, and it was only for 10 years, but later it increases by political parties for their agendas, and we can also say that its main purpose was to fulfill the gap between upper caste and lower caste in terms of financial condition. But nowadays we are seeing political party are using it like a tool, so it's harm us. But at conclusion I will say government should give reservation in terms of financial, not for its caste system. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of my GD friends. My name is Harsh. My father's name is Mr. Ramcharan Prajapati. I belong to UP at Kanpur. I have completed my 10th and 12th from UP from RCD Inter College, Umri, Kanpur Nagar. Recently, I have completed my graduation from CSJMU University, Kanpur. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, and reading books. My strength point is that I am self-motivated and laborious boy. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman, so we are present here for the group discussion. As we know that today's topic is reservation in India. First of all, we all should know about the reservation. Reservation means to give equality to the all community like SC, ST in our society. It comes into the prominence in 1947. Our Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar has implemented it, and there are many pros and cons of this topic. First, we all should know about the pros of this topic. By implemented reservation in India, it is beneficial to the SC and ST because we can see they get reservation in education and all government jobs. It is very good for the upliftment of them, and sometimes we see that it is not good because many kinds of political leaders misuses it like a weapon, and sometimes it is not good because many kinds of people who does not belong to get the reservation, but they already they used to make fake income certificate and get benefit. At last, I would like to conclude: Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas is an result of the reservation, but it should be it want many correction.